Hey guys, today we are going to talk about the distance formula. Now this is how we can tell how far apart 2 points are. This could be 2 points given to you, 2 points on a graph, it's just the distance between them. So first off, let's remember what the distance formula looks like. So we have d for distance is equal to, and we're going to have a very big radical. Then in our formula we have x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And all we got to do is plug everything in and simplify. So first things first, if you struggle with plugging stuff in, label your points and then plug them in. So we're going to have x1, y1, x2, y2. It doesn't matter who's the 1 and who's the 2. Since we're adding, it won't change your final answer. So if you want to put them in the other order, you'll see you'll still get the same answer as I do by the end of this video. So here we go. So distance is equal to, get our big square root. We have x2, which is 5, minus x1, which was 7, squared, plus y2, which was 1, minus y1, which was also 1. Now from here, we're just going to follow PEMDAS. So step 1 is whatever's inside my parentheses. So we are looking at 5 minus 7, which is negative 2. And 1 minus 1, which is 0. From there, we would do our exponents. So negative 2 squared is going to get us 4, and 0 squared is going to get us 0. Then we would multiply or divide, but there's nothing to multiply or divide here. And then lastly, add or subtract. 4 plus 0 is 4. Now from here, there's a few different avenues. If it can be square rooted, so in other words, if it's a perfect square, we're going to square root it, which in this case, the square root of 4 is 2, making my final answer 2. However, if it cannot be square rooted, then you would follow the instructions on if they want you to round or if they want it in simplest radical form. And that is distance formula.